before we open, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It is 6.8 inches full rectangle and 6.7 inches rounded corners. Ang pinaka gusto ko dito is ito, 256 GB memory, 12 GB RAM, and super fast charging, and stereo speakers and earphones sound by 8 kg. So let's see. It is still covered by Samsung warranty. Okay, so open na natin. Oh, finally. So let's take a look what's inside. Dun, 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 dun. Gondo. Oh my gosh. Pagpasensyaan nyo na ako guys because it's my first time doing the unboxing thing. So, I had no idea. Check kaya natin yung durability test nito. Wow. Can you open it? Oh my gosh. This is the charger. Super fast charging. Okay. And what is this? Is there something inside of it? Let's take a look. Oh, this is the adapter. Adapter. And the cord, and the headset. I guess maganda yung kanyang headset. Okay. And what's in here? Maybe there's surprise over here. Let's see. This is for the SIM. Oh, what a surprise! Meron siyang isang clear case. Free? Absolutely. By Samsung. And of course, is the manual. So, kung sino pa dyan, who among you guys who don't know how to use your phone, meron siyang warranty card. So guys, ganun lang pala kasimple ang pag-unbox. Let's open it. Are you excited? I am excited. Oh, yes! Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Secured by knots. So, let's try to see the pen. See, it's all black. Because it's so classy. Saucy, and black is always beautiful. Let's go. Okay guys, so that's it. This is the unboxing thing. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment below and subscribe my channel. Bye.